You would never do that with your current cleaning solution. If you need precision clean aerospace parts, look to Pro Ultrasonics. Pro Ultrasonics is all about high performance cleaning equipment. Everything we do is aqueous, which is clean for the environment and safe for all our employees. Ultrasound uses a special frequency that creates microscopic bubbles in the solution. Those bubbles are full of energy racing around, and they attack a part from an infinite number of angles. We can cavitate right through the sidewall of a metal part, cleaning the interior surface. Let's say we have a nice blind hole in here and we can't get to it. That energy is going to transfer right through the sidewall, clean inside and come back out. Let's take a look at this junkyard piston. A lot of areas in here that need precision cleaning. Blind holes, stampings, even the ring lances here. We've done this in 7 minutes in a non-hazardous solution with no handwork, and we can do the same for all of our parts. We can clean this whole basket full of materials in one application. This is one of our smaller units. It's a tabletop model. All of our models are engineered with lots of power. To me, it's like an engine, a 4-cylinder versus a V8. All of our equipment has the most power in the industry, which means you're going to get quicker clean times. So we don't need a huge machine to do a lot of parts. We need a small machine to do parts quickly. We have 15 standard sizes, starting with small tabletop models up to big industrial units that are in stock, ready to roll. Yeah, standard we go up to 60 by 30 and everything in between. You can have one for your home. We have home use ones. We can get down less than $1,000. I mean, for all your firearms. Plus, we have the capabilities of custom designing and manufacturing. Here's an example of a machine we just finished. An automatic load system where you put the basket down with your parts. It takes it through a series of tanks through wash, rinse, automated dry, and places the basket on an unload platform. Your operator starts the process and picks it up at the end. And again, this is hands-free. It's all self-contained. That's what the beauty of it. We have filtration built in. We have oil skimming built in. As the oils build up on top, we skim those off into a holding tank and back. With this system, we have clean water each and every time we clean an important part. Think about the way you do cleaning now in a solvent tank. You're basically cleaning in dirty materials over and over and over again. So some companies you may recognize are already using our product. Companies like SpaceX, Boeing, Delta Airlines, companies that really need a precision clean part. For 20 years, we've stood behind our machines. We use the best electronics so that any service is easily replaceable, easily interchangeable, standard size components, readily available in our facility in North Carolina. Ultrasound likes a hard surface. So if you send me a soft Nerf ball, I'm not going to be able to clean that very well because those microscopic bubbles need a hard surface to hit against and implode. But anything else, metal, plastic, are ideal for ultrasonic cleaning. So I'm throwing at you the challenge. Send me a part, a hard part, and I guarantee I can clean it.
Whether you need an off-the-shelf unit or you need a full-blown industrial line, Pro Ultrasonics is your best partner for design, consultation, equipment, and supplies.